Ready? There you go.
Oh, hey, little one. You got big blue eyes and red hair. And tell mommy not to cut them off no more. No more. No more.
Blake, I'll make sure you look cute.
Yeah. Say, don't cut them hair off no more. No. No. We want them to grow. Here.